PingAccess is a comprehensive access management solution designed to provide secure access to applications and services for users. It acts as a gateway that manages authentication and authorization, ensuring that only the right users can access specific resources. The primary benefit of PingAccess is its ability to enhance security by implementing consistent access policies across different platforms, whether on-premises or in the cloud. This approach minimizes the risk of unauthorized access and data breaches, thereby protecting sensitive information. The solution also improves user experience by offering single sign-on (SSO) capabilities, allowing users to access multiple applications with a single set of credentials. This feature not only simplifies the login process but also reduces the likelihood of password fatigue and related security risks. Prerequisites. There are no specific prerequisites for the PingAccess training. It is open to anyone interested in secure access management and eager to learn about PingAccess systems. What will you learn? During the course you will understand the basics of PingAccess and access management, installing and setting up PingAccess, managing secure access policies, integrating with Ping identity solutions, authentication and authorization methods, setting up single sign-on (SSO), maintenance and monitoring practices. By the end of the course, you will gain deep knowledge about PingAccess and how to implement it in real-time projects. Our PingAccess subject matter experts have profound understanding of PingAccess, rich practical experience on real-world applications, extensive hands-on knowledge in the area of cloud computing domain, in-depth industry experience and expertise, delivered multiple training sessions to various clients. Research and case studies have demonstrated that organizations implementing PingAccess benefit from reduced IT overhead, as it streamlines the management of access controls and decreases the need for manual intervention. Moreover, businesses have reported enhanced compliance with regulatory requirements, as PingAccess provides detailed audit trails and reporting features. Course assessment. In addition to our comprehensive training, we offer a complimentary assessment designed to evaluate course comprehension. This assessment employs a variety of methods including multiple-choice questions, short answer responses, and tests focused on problem-solving abilities. These diverse approaches ensure a thorough understanding of the course material and providing a well-rounded evaluation of participants' knowledge and application skills. Thank you for watching our video. We eagerly anticipate welcoming you to Multisoft's PingAccess training, where you will master secure access management strategies, enhancing your skills in efficient policy implementation.